My hole's just big enough for the two of us. It's a tight fit, but I'm sure you could squeeze yourself in.
I've been scarred.
Can I go in your hole next?
You two? You gotta be this tall.
I thought you wanted the leather boy package, old man.
There's still plenty of time for you. I ain't dead yet.
How?
I'll show you my love palace. Doop-a-doop-a-doop, follow me. Look, there's the entrance over there.
What a stench! It smells like Preparation H.
Where are all the Neverland toys?
There's a $20 cover. Many young men have set out through there. They have yet to return. You can hear them every night having hot, loving relations, just like we did.
He's lying. We actually outsourced all our hoes overseas.
I see. Then what are those noises I've been hearing?
You lied to me. I thought we had something together, old-timer.
I told you, no one works for Hidden Sound without my say-so.
Hard ass.
Stay off my territory, bitch. I had him set up for the deluxe leather package. Get out of town before morning. Like now. We got a hole for you on the east side.
I was the leather boy package.
You were?
And you had to ruin it for me. I almost had that old man eaten out of my hands and my pockets.
He wasn't that good.
Where do you get the confidence, eh? I'm the real ass candy. There can only be one. You got that and you aren't it. Alright?
But you're both great ass candy. Don't make me choose.
Ha! You know what? I'm the only ass candy. Get over it. Respect my authority.
You sound cocky. I wish I could be that sure myself. But it's screaming inside of me. It keeps saying, prove it, prove it, prove it. If I wasn't so damn sexy, I'd give in. I can't imagine living without believing in it.
You boys must be starving.
We are. How kind of you to notice.
Wait, candy ass.
Ah, it's a big one. So warm and fresh.
Go ahead and eat.
What's wrong, Tsume? You gay? Who knows what our next time is gonna be?
Oh yeah? Well, just 'cause I'm as straight as a circle doesn't mean that I'm as dumb as a stick like you.
What do you think, miss?
You're dumb.
Thanks.
I have one question though. Is glue tasty?
Oh, where do I start?
Leather Queen, I choose you! Huh? Hey, where are you going? Leather Queen!
I'm gonna go shuck some corn.
Glue, glue, glue. This place is more going for it than I thought.
Leather Queen, come back! Can you explain what shucking corn means to me? That stupid guy couldn't.
I don't do it for free, okay?
Well, start talking then. I'll pay you.
Ooh, baby.
I'm too sexy for my car, too sexy for my car, too sexy by far. I'm too sexy for something, na 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 na, I don't remember the words, na na.
Boy, I'm stuffed. You were great tonight. Where'd you learn all that? Where? Come on.
If you want to know, come to the station tomorrow morning.
At the station? You'll show me something there?
That's right. You'll see something amazing.
Ah, man, those guys probably kill for what I got.